The question is that in Western world, sometimes due to circumstances, it happens that husband works and wife carries on her study and vice versa. What is Islam's attitude on this?
And this is all Islamic. If husband works and the wife is free to take care of children or home, or if she pursues some studies, there is nothing wrong with it. According to Ahmediyya understanding of women, a woman, if she has talent and can rise to higher studies, even if she is poor, the Jamaat Ahmediyya helps her and pays the fees for higher studies, provided that she has got talents. Poverty should not stand in the way of such woman and her education. So if she is lucky to have a good loving husband, under his protection she should of course reach as high as possible in her education. You see, there's one positive evidence that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not wear something round which the Arabs do nowadays, because at the Badr, when he was praying, it is mentioned in Hadith that repeatedly his head cover used to slide backward, and Hazrat Abu Bakr used to put it back on his head. So that positively proves that he did not have any sort of present day gold round, what is called, I don't know, but that black something which they cover with their head with.
হুজুর কুদ্দুসে